YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Nuer English basic phrases. There are a few way of greetings people in Nuer language. Let's start it. Let's start it mean chana jatok. Greetings mean neri. Greeting ner. Well, here are some of the few words or basic sentences that can allow you to communicate with your Nuer friend. Today we are going to start here. Good morning. Male kerunwang. Male kerunwang. Male kerunwang. Good morning. Good afternoon. Male ke cheng der. Male ke cheng der. Male ke cheng der. Good afternoon. Good evening. Male ke tiang. Good night. Nini Kamal. Nini Kamal, it is a singular, and when we say Niana Kamal, as you are saying good night to many people, you say Niana Kamal. Okay, this one is different from Nini Kamal. Nini Kamal, it is a singular, and Niana Kamal, it is a plural. Let me change the color. Okay, Nini Kamal, good night. You are saying good night to one person, but when you are saying good night to many people, like one or two or three, and then you have to say Niana Kamal. Welcome, Bir Kamal. Welcome, Bir Kamal. How are you? Male. You can simply say Male. How are you? Male. It is like kind of saying hello. When you say hello, a person is supposed to say it hello again. But here, when you say hello, you can also say Male in your language, or you can simply say it hello. When you are saying how are you to a Nuer person, you have to say Male, or you can say it again in another way, Nangejidi. How are you? Nangejidi. Let me change the color. Okay, Nangejidi. All right. How are you? Nangejidi. Or you can simply say it Male. How are you? Male. Okay. Next one. What's up? What's up mean Teddy. Okay. You can say it, how is it going, or you can say Wady in word, but here we said what's up. You can say Teddy. You can say Teddy. It is like saying how are you, or so. How are you, Male? Oh, Male. How are you, Male? Or you can say Nangajidi. Okay. And when it comes to form of saying what's up, okay, you have to say Teddy. Let's move on to the next lesson. Here we have some of the response. We say here how are you, and we say Male. What's up, Teddy? Okay, and these are the response when somebody asks you how are you or Male in Nuer. You have to say it I am fine. You say it Male. I am fine. Male. You can simply say it Ma and then Le, something like that. Okay, I am fine. Male. Or you can say Male. And you, Kejin. And you. Kajin. 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 Good. Guaya. Guaya, it is when you are saying it. Let's say you can say it guaya as you, right? But when you are saying maybe somebody has you good, you can say guaya, like it is good or it is going good, we agua. So we respond in a different manner when we are saying good in English. But in Nuer we say guaya, like when you are the one talking or when you are the one speaking, you have to say guaya. Or you can say guaya. Good. Guaya. Guaya. We agua. You can, take one of these sentences. You can say guaya or guaya or we agua. But I will refer you to this guaya when you are the one speaking to the person. Or if you are the one being asked, how are you? And you say male. And again, you say I am fine or mala. And you, Kajin, the person have to respond guaya or good. Bad. Jeka. Jeka. You can say jeka, or you can even say chewa agua. You can see this this mark right here, right? This means it referring to the word that this is not right when you put this sign behind this this word right here. Okay, shawa agua, like it is not going well. It is not going well. Shawa agua, or you can simply say it jeka. Jeka, bad jeka. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Shalloi the te salon. Shalloi the te salon. Shalloi the te salon. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Teni kachang mangwa. Teni kachang mangwa. Teni kachang mangwa. Teni kachang mangwa. Have a nice day. Teni kachang mangwa. See you later. See you later. Banjik iyo. Banjik iyo. See you later. Banjik iyo. See you later. Banjik iyo. Banjik iyo, it is a singular, right? You are responding as a singular or as a one person, right? Or okay, when you are saying to many, like see you later, you have to say it bane jik iyo. Banejik iyo. This is different from banejik iyo and banjik iyo and banejik. Here there is a banejik iyo. It indicates that the people that you are referring to, they are many, they are more than two. But when it is one person, you have to say banjik iyo. See you later. But for many, as a plural form, we have to say banejik iyo. Banejik iyo. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. Guaye along and wo shikonraj. Guaye along and wo shikonraj. Guaye along and wo shikonraj. It was nice talking to you. Guaye along and wo shikonraj. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, Nuer Online, please subscribe, like, share with friends and family. Bye bye.